Hello, nurses. I am Abdul Latheef, Managing Director of Hotel Group of Hospital and Al-Hila Healthcare Group and Confucian Medical Center, and Chairman for Indiana Hospital and Art Institute, and Chairman for Aishal Medicity. Nurses are the art of healthcare. Our nurses, our future. May 12th we celebrate as International Nurses Day. I am honored to be part of the healthcare sector for last 3 decades. I am privileged to employ thousands of nurses in our institution. Normally people think and admire nurses' role only when they are sick or the world is going through the pandemic. But for us in the healthcare sector, they are always considered to be the members of the world's noblest professions. They sacrifice their life to live for our well-being. They are with us to pray us from pain and sorrow by forgetting their personal comfort. As I always recollect, nurses are paid not only by the employer, but by every patient through their prayers and blessings. So, my dear angels, a Florence Nightingale is there in every one of you. Be proud to be a nurse, since you are when you take the care with love of those who are in pain and sorrow. I wish all my Nightingales and angels a very happy International Nurses Day, and I would like to appreciate and congratulate you for choosing the best profession on earth. Thank you. God bless you.